Good morning, guys. It's the next day in my father's compound. Yeah. Let's go outside and see my dad's poster. Oh, mommy. You making naje? I'm going to the room get this morning. Now see, kaka mommy je. This is my dad's poster. Chinyere is gone. Watching. My daddy international is gone. See my mom's COVID palliative. My mom put since COVID, my mom put this soap here and then this bucket so that people can wash their hands before they come into our house. Mommy. Kakwani. Becky naga. In a farm. You people say that my mom is not my mom, that she's my sister. You've heard it. This is how she lives her life. She wakes up in the morning now that her darling husband is no more. I don't want you to cry here now because she wakes up and does a walkabout looking at her farm. This is what keeps her looking young. Is that who? Why now? I was looking at can then hear the man alone. You can sit here. Agua was the main road. See Ogo. Look at this big one. Mommy, I'll go on here. Look at this big one. That's what the fruit, should I call it fruit, looks like. And when you break it open, you will see the seeds that you can take with you and plant in Obodo. You know they have. It's already koji. Jikwa. Kena ako. Mbao. I prefer cassava and corn and other things, okra. There are so many things to plant, but this yam is not for our side. It's better for Anam people. No, I'm even talking about Anambra State. Okay. It's better for Anam people and Ibarian people and Otuocha people. Their land makes better yam. But over here, the kind of soil we have is not really good for yam. So it doesn't, the yield is not worth it. The size of yam you put into the soil is the size you harvest. So why bother? If not less safe. And the skin will not be smooth and it will not be good till the next year. So when you want to plant again, you go to the market and buy yam seedlings. So it's not worth it for our side, but we can plant cassava here, corn, every other thing. So eba kuzo wan kusi. Give main road can mean. Gini din so. No depends so. Ebe. Neba ukwu isi adi n'etiti ebe a. Mba no tekan. Ofundi achukwa ama ọsọ. Go to a hokita. Ina ha no na ndị ntọ no. Akwi mana ndị ndị hunter, ndị herdsmen attack no munze. And I want that herdsmen, man. I saw him. I saw him at herdsmen. These are bandits. These are the herdsmen I know in Nigeria. Are not like that. They are not violent. They just take their cows. Mommy, can I be here?
The farmer got a good no, my cow. The cow had you. Got a good not to run. My cow behind me is a and I'm a government person. I call you doing narrow.
Mommy, got at the beyond every in our work. You just want me to go there. Good. Good idea myself. The car couldn't be the head yourself. The bank got that. Eh? Nakede. Ebeni. Okay, ya bada luche beni. Eh, otakan. I na cheers.
It has a major food and I tip look.
Eba ka bada tacha. Na chokwa n'okwu. Ebe etekanu. Eba ka payload and one bada tacha. Here. Hey. No wonder one kg back back.
One eternity later.
Hey. Neat back. Mommy, be back here. Mommy, be cũng có cậy đó. You guys remember the time I took you to the Russian site? This is the gutter. I'll go away here. Hey. Mommy, we go back. See, oh, mommy, mommy, you very nice. Mommy, hear him now, because if we had that, if I'm going to even got time. Hey, I want more. Where? More ugu, more pumpkin fruit. Hey, can you hear the birds chirping? These sounds will increase your lifespan by 10 years. Very peaceful. Good morning, sir. And then see these sheep. They're taking them out to go and eat grass. Daily routine, and you go in the afternoon to change your position. Hey, all these things are therapeutic, you know. Village life. Yeah. They are doing it to keep busy. When you retire to the village, the most, you know, the hustle and bustle of the city doesn't matter anymore. But the mundane things, the most. Keku do isi jurebe ni mommy. Off you do we ha. And down the way. See how we sweep the compound. Every morning. Fine, Chuku. Gosle houses Ijazai. See the broom. It's from palm fronds. The ends of palm fronds. What's that one now? Mommy, how old are we here? How many years got the go ever? Come boy, you be done me, ba?
Imagine you don't have it in a flower pot. They couldn't pull up in a flower pot. Yeah, okay.
Young are we here?
Or maybe man, this year also the flower. So, child, that's it.
But no, pull up or can come.
I know I am a baby.
I am my baby. But apple have la run out. Apple have my hood. Next year, 20 years. Man, obido be me ba. Hey, lolo. Also this year.
Also the flower this year. That's it.
Oh.
I talk one year open by you and I book a party.
When I change my funeral. 20 years or me, my baby. Hey, 20 years. Madre mia. 20-year-old tree. The other one is okwa. Okwa only a bupuzi nearban. The tree is too big to be inside somebody's compound. Oh, you had in a service and I had no oishi kank.
Economic fruit, so happy.
See scent leaves and water leaves. Look at how fresh they are. Hey, look at that one. I feel like plucking these ones and eating them raw. Scent leaves, scent leaves, scent leaves. You can take the seeds, these seeds. They're not yet dry, but you can take these seeds and plant them wherever you live and water them, or you can take the stalk as well. This one is bitter leaves, the most bitter vegetable in the world. But before we use it to cook, we wash off all the bitterness. But if you want to make something medicinal, it's a very good cleanser for the body. You can just blend it and drink it. Very bitter. It's a painfully bitter vegetable. Madre mia. If you're drinking it, you feel pain from the bitterness. Oh, Bekinag. My little nephew is going to school. Bekinag. You know the okwu. Maka na ifu video imeze ni na okwu nwa ọ dị ara agba ka ọka. Ngwa. Ebe ka ị na-aga?
Na moto.
Na moto mana ebe ka ị na-aga kwa na ebe na moto?
Na school.
Na school. This boy learnt Igbo within 6 months. Look boy ebe he. Gini. Hey, otagi. Otabehogo. Oh. Thank God na otabehogo. Oh, ihe na-agba agba ọ dị ka n'osisi ka o si ebe. Osisi ube. Omi this year. Yela chalia. This boy na asụ n'Igbo Hey, kabo osisi ube. This boy speaks 3 languages now. He speaks French, Igbo, and English. Bye. They are off to school. When my brother comes back, we'll go to the hospital. I need to go and see an orthopedic doctor in Adazi for my arm. You know, this my arm, I don't talk too much about it, but it's quite painful. Yeah, still painful. Okay, let me talk about this my arm. Where is the chair? Let me talk about what happened to my arm. Because I wanted to make a video about it. so that we will all be careful, because this is a new age sickness that can happen to any of us. We are all at risk. Okay, I'll do that in a new video.